Happy evening, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. As I promised, I am making interview series. Now I have already finished with almost 13-14 videos on that, and related to that particular question which I have promised, and top 5 questions, and this will be top 3 question which is being asked in almost all interviews, whether it's for institutions, organizations all over the world. And that question is, where do you see yourself after 5 years? I have already discussed the very first question. Tell me something about yourself. Okay, already uploaded video on that. Watch those videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel first of all. Why you are supposed to subscribe? Because once you will subscribe, only then you will be getting notification for my next video, and you will be able to watch all those videos for your complete knowledge, information and exposure. That is why you're supposed to subscribe my channel or anybody's channel if you want learning. Very simple. So this is the third question, which is very important question for any institutions or organizations, and you are supposed to know the exact answer, how you will answer these questions. Okay, I have already uploaded the very first question answer. Tell me something about yourself. Tell me something about your family background. Tell me something about yourself not as per your resume. And the top second question, why should we hire you? That video I have also already uploaded on YouTube channel. Now this is the third question which you're supposed to know the answer, and correctly you're supposed to answer. And don't follow blindly any answer on YouTube channel given by anyone, or whether it's a Google search or a Wikipedia search, without any confirmation and verification with the help of your faculty, teacher, trainer, whosoever is expert in that. Okay, let's start. I will give you how to answer this question. What do you think? If anybody is asking, I am taking interview for last 23 years. I know very well. Most of the candidates, those who are very smart, they think they are very smart. They are telling me, I want to replace you. Total nonsense answer. You know very well, employer, owner is not taking your interview. Employee is taking interview. Say for example, when I was vice president, and when I was CEO of the particular company or GM of the particular company, or HR manager of the particular company, and you are telling him or her, I want to replace you, how they will feel? Very simple. As an employee, it's a threat to their position. You are not supposed to answer like that. If this is, that is not the startup company. Startup company, naturally employer will be taking the interview. Most chances are that employer will take, owner will take in the startup company. But if it is an established company, definitely for last 5 years, 10 years, it's a running company, then employer and owner is not going to take your interview. Definitely HR manager, personal manager, any manager, sales manager, marketing manager, for whichever position you have appeared for that particular interview, they will be taking an interview, and you are telling them, I want to replace you. If they are not with the same mindset which I have presently of the last 23 years, you can say, definitely they will reject you outright, and they will tell you, let you know. Let you know, if you are hearing from anyone, it means they will never call you back. And this is very dangerous word in any interview world. Always remember, okay? So don't answer like that. Say for example, someone is telling me, as I am hearing for last 23 years, most of the student will tell after that, the very first answer, I want to replace you. After that, I want to see myself as a CEO. How within a year or 5 years you will be CEO of that particular company? It's complete bhagya, then fate. Do you think that you will be CEO of any established company, 10 years company, a 20 years company, 30 years company? Why they will give you the CEO position? It means very big achievement in terms of anything by you. It might possible. If your fate will help you, favor you, definitely. Luck will favor you. That is called fate. It might possible. But again, this is wrong answer. You cannot be CEO within 5 years of any company. But if luck will favor, definitely. But what is the suitability of that particular question? What is the suitable answer? Someone is telling, I will be software engineer. I want to see myself as a project manager, technical manager, general manager, regional manager, zonal manager. Why you are mentioning the position, designation? You may go higher, more than this also, more than CEO also, director position also. What's the big deal? Within 5 years, it might possible. You can start your own after 5 years, after getting very nice experience with the help of that particular company. So what I want to say you all, my all students, or even the executive manager, those whosoever is watching this channel, my channel, a video, don't mention any position. You are supposed to answer this question in like this. Okay, I would like to see myself at a higher position with greater accountabilities and responsibilities. Always remember, with greater, at higher position, any higher position, with greater accountabilities and responsibilities, where will be I will be able to share, where will be I will be able to share my knowledge, information and exposure with my colleagues, co-workers, and at the same time I will be able to guide my hardship, my challenges, whatever I have faced in my life. This is very simple answer. Again, I will repeat. You can remind this video again. I would like to see myself at a higher position. That is very important. Don't mention any position, only higher position. Higher position. And what is required after that? Accountability is you are supposed to be accountable for that position. Then responsible for that position. These are the three biggest qualities. If you are telling in any interview, where do you see yourself after 5 years? My dear, within 5 years, definitely you will get higher position with greater accountability, responsibility. What is the advantage of that type of position where you don't have accountability or responsibility? A minister without portfolio. Do you want that type of situation? Do you want that type of designation actually? A minister without portfolio? Without accountability, responsibility? You don't have any work? Simply sitting idle? Do you think that any private company, they will allow you like this? Only in the government organization this is possible. In government organization, as I told very frankly earlier also, only 1% employee, a very honest employee. Only with the help of them, all government organizations are working so effectively and efficiently, those who are in the profit. Rest people are total in dilemma, whether to work or not to work, whether to go office or not to go office, whether to enjoy or not to enjoy. They are in dilemma, complete dilemma. But in private organization, there are no dilemma. They are very sure about their work. And they want how to get the work done by others. Very simple. So as a manager, wherever your position is there, as a fresher, your answer, whether you are an experienced person also, 2, 3 years, 5 years also, you can say that at higher position with greater accountabilities, responsibilities, so that whatever knowledge I have, knowledge, information, exposure I have presently, I will be able to share with my colleagues and co-workers, and the challenges, hardship, experiences, whatever I have faced in my life, definitely I would like to guide them for that also. This will be the right answer for this question. I think you might have got the correct answer. Again, I will request you all, if you are watching any YouTube channel for particular type of question, on Google search, Wikipedia, please confirm and verify with your faculty, trainer, whosoever has got already very good experience related to that. Only then answer. Otherwise, go through my video. I have authority on this for last 23 years I am doing related to this campus recruitment training. Okay, go by my answer, give this answer in any interview, then you see what they say. Very simple. So thank you so much. May God bless you. The happy beginning.